What if AI could handle the traffic side of your affiliate business? So you could focus on the funnel and the follow-up? Today, I am taking a close look at TrafficOS AI, and I'm going to show you exactly what it does, who it is built for, and whether it belongs in your marketing stack.
Here's the core idea behind TrafficOS AI. Most beginner affiliate marketers are invisible online. They've got an offer, they've got a link, but they have no consistent presence on the platforms where their buyers actually spend time. TrafficOS AI is designed to change that. It deploys what the developers call AI traffic workers across Facebook, Reddit, X, and YouTube to create social visibility around your offers. All from one browser-based dashboard, no downloads, no technical setup, just a campaign, a target, and the AI doing the engagement work. Now, if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you already know this feeling. You're trying to write content, post on social media, build an email list, figure out which offer to promote, learn SEO, and somehow also find time to actually drive traffic to all of it. It's a lot, and most people either burn out or give up before they ever get traction. That's the problem TrafficOS AI is trying to solve, and it's a real problem worth solving. So let me break down exactly how the AI traffic workers actually work. Inside the dashboard, you set up what they call an AI campaign. You choose your target platform, Facebook, Reddit, X, or YouTube, and you configure what kind of engagement you want the AI to generate. The tool supports multiple AI content styles, so the activity it creates can match different tones, audiences, and contexts. There's also a visual human mode, which is designed to make the AI behavior look more natural within the platform environment. You're not writing every post manually. You're setting parameters, and the AI handles the execution. Now, and I want to be clear about this is AI-assisted engagement. It's a tool. You still need to review what it does, follow each platform's rules, and use it responsibly. I'll come back to that point. The benefit, when it works as intended, is this: more social signals around your affiliate content, more visibility in the feeds and threads where your target buyers are already hanging out. Instead of manually commenting, posting, and engaging on 4 different platforms every single day, which is genuinely exhausting, the AI is creating that presence for you in the background. And for a solo marketer with no team, no ad budget, and no cold calling appetite, that's a meaningful shift in how you approach traffic. Beyond the traffic workers themselves, TrafficOS AI also includes multiple AI content style options. This means the AI can adapt its output depending on whether you need something conversational, informational, or promotional. There's a built-in high-ticket offer library as well, which is useful if you're looking for offers to promote and want pre-loaded options rather than hunting through marketplaces yourself. And for beginners who are still figuring out what to promote, that's actually a helpful feature to have built in. Speaking of offers, if you're using TrafficOS AI as part of a broader affiliate strategy, you'll want to make sure you're pairing it with a real funnel. Traffic alone doesn't convert. I'm going to come back to that in a few minutes when I walk you through the bonus kit I built specifically to solve this problem. But first, let me talk about safety limits. Because this is important, TrafficOS AI includes built-in safety and moderation limits. The dashboard has controls to manage the volume and pace of AI activity, which is designed to keep things within reasonable boundaries. And I want to be direct with you here. Any tool that automates social media engagement carries responsibility. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook, X, and YouTube have their own rules about automated behavior. TrafficOS AI is not a bypass for those rules. It's a tool that operates within them, and you need to use it that way. Use the moderation limits, review what the AI generates, personalize where it matters, and always follow platform guidelines. That's not a disclaimer I'm throwing in to cover myself. It's genuinely how you get the best results from a tool like this without creating problems for yourself down the line. One thing I genuinely like about TrafficOS AI is the analytics dashboard. You can see what's happening with your campaigns, which platforms are generating activity, what's moving, what isn't. For a beginner, that feedback loop is valuable. You're not just setting something and hoping. You're watching the data and adjusting. That's how you actually learn what works in your niche. And because it's browser-based, no software to install, no complicated setup, you can be up and running within a session. For complete beginners, that low barrier to entry matters. So let's talk about who this is actually for. TrafficOS AI is a strong fit if you're a solo affiliate marketer who wants to build consistent social visibility without a team, without cold calling, and without spending money on paid ads every month. It's a strong fit if you're a beginner who's serious about building always-on traffic, and you understand that a tool like this works best when it's part of a complete funnel, not a standalone magic button. It's probably not the right fit if you're expecting guaranteed results, or if you want a fully hands-off system that requires zero input from you. No tool delivers that, and any tool that claims to should be viewed with skepticism. Now let me walk you through the pricing options because there are 2, and they serve different needs. The front end is the entry-level option. It gives you access to the core TrafficOS AI dashboard, the AI traffic workers, the platform targeting, the content styles, and the analytics. It's the right starting point if you want to test the tool before committing to more. The bundle is the full package. It includes the front end, plus the complete suite of upgrades, more campaign capacity, more features, and deeper functionality. If you're serious about building a long-term traffic system, the bundle is the better value. And here's a coupon code worth knowing, Bundle50. That takes $50 off the bundle price. I'll put it in the description and pin it in the comments. Both the front end and the bundle qualify for my exclusive bonus kit, which I'm about to walk you through right now. When I reviewed TrafficOS AI, I noticed a gap. The tool handles the traffic side, but most beginners don't have the conversion side sorted out. They've got traffic coming in, or the potential for it, but no bridge page, no email opt-in, no follow-up sequence. So the traffic doesn't convert. That's why I put together the Traffic to Commission Conversion Kit. 3 standalone tools, no logins required, delivered immediately when you purchase through my link. Bonus 1. The AI Traffic to Commission Funnel Planner. A step-by-step planner that maps your traffic source to your bridge page, your email opt-in, and your follow-up sequence. It connects the dots that most beginners miss. Bonus 2. The Bridge Page Copy Generator. A fill-in-the-blanks tool that generates your bridge page, copy the page that sits between your traffic and your affiliate link, warms up the visitor, and pre-sells the offer. If you're sending traffic straight to a raw affiliate link right now, this is the single most important thing you can add to your funnel. Bonus 3. The Soft Sell DM and Comment Script Vault. Over 50 platform-safe scripts for Reddit, Facebook, X, and YouTube organized by platform, tone, and stage. These are starting points. Personalize them before you use them. But having them ready means you're not staring at a blank screen every time you need to engage. Total value, $211. Yours free when you get TrafficOS AI through my link below. Here's what I built to go with TrafficOS AI and why I built it.
If you want TrafficOS AI plus my exclusive bonus kit, the funnel planner, the bridge page generator, and the soft sell script vault, click the link below this video. Use coupon Bundle50 at checkout to save $50 on the bundle. I will see you on the other side.
So here's my honest verdict. TrafficOS AI is a legitimate AI-assisted traffic tool built for beginner affiliate marketers who want social visibility without cold calling, without paid ads, and without burning out trying to manually post on 4 platforms every day. It's not a guaranteed traffic machine. Results vary. You still need a real funnel behind it, which is exactly what my bonus kit gives you. But as a tool that helps solo marketers create consistent presence across Facebook, Reddit, X, and YouTube from a single dashboard, for the price point, especially with the Bundle50 coupon, it's worth a serious look. If you're ready to move forward, click the link in the description below. Grab TrafficOS AI through my link. Use coupon Bundle50 to save $50 on the bundle, and your bonus kit will be waiting for you. If you found this review useful, subscribe. I cover AI marketing tools for beginners regularly, and there's a lot more coming. I'll see you in the next one.